Go out on the field as an engineer or as an assistant, you always need to take your tools. That is mandatory. Because if you go out on the field without any kind of tools, you won't be able to do the job correctly. And then after maybe hours of driving or risking your life going up a mountain, you won't be able to succeed in ending and finishing up what you went up to do. And then you're going to have to go back down to the city or the nearest place to get the tools. So don't forget, just take your tools with you every time you go on a site, including computer, cables, connectors, everything. Don't miss out in anything. That will save you a lot of time and also money and many other things. This is a recommendation I give you as a professional service provider.